Have you ever wanted to create your own look-alike AI avatar that walks, talks, and gestures just like you? Well, today's your lucky day. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI avatar. And yes, it can walk, talk, and even gesture just like a real person. And guess what? It's all 100% free. And I'll walk you through everything you need to know. So don't go anywhere. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's start by creating your avatar. The first tool we'll use is ChatGPT. To begin, open ChatGPT and click the plus button down here to upload an image of yourself or any reference image you want. You can either upload your own photo or pick any image you like. Once you upload the image, now here's the fun part. Enter the following prompt to start generating your avatar. You can adjust it however you like. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'll tell you where to get all the prompts I'm using today. Make sure to adjust the prompt as needed, depending on how you want your avatar to look. Then click send, and within a few seconds, your avatar image will be ready. If you're not happy with the first result, don't worry. Just hit regenerate until you get the look you want.
Now that you have your avatar image, we're ready to move on to step 2, where we turn that image into an animated video. Stick with me. Here, we're going to animate your avatar and make it walk, talk, and gesture using Kling AI.
Go to Kling AI's website, sign up or log in, and then come here to the left and click on Video. Now you're going to click here to upload the avatar image you created in step 1. Once your image is uploaded, enter your text prompt to decide what actions you want the avatar to perform. For example, you can say something like, make the avatar talk and gesture. But if you want your avatar to walk around while talking, you'll need to go back to ChatGPT, and from here, click on GPT-S, then search for Animation Script Builder. This will generate a specific image to video text prompt for you. From here, upload the avatar image you generated, and then type in this prompt. For example, type, "Can you give me a video to image prompt to make the man stand and walk left while talking and looking at the camera to another couch in a beautifully decorated sitting room?" Then click on the send button here. Once you get that prompt, copy it and head back to Kling AI, paste the prompt here, then come down and turn off this sound option and set the video duration. Then send. After a few seconds, you'll have your animated avatar walking and talking just like you imagined.
Let's move on to step 3. Now that your avatar is ready, it's time to add realistic voiceovers. For this, we're going to use Google AI Studio.
Go to Google AI Studio, sign up or register, and click on Gemini Speech Generation. Make sure you select Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS from the options on the left. Now choose Single Speaker Audio and select your preferred voice actor by clicking the play button next to each one.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind?
Once you pick your voice, type in the text you want the avatar to say, like, "Hello, welcome to my tutorial on creating AI avatars." Click Run, and within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready for download.
Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial tips like this one.
To download it, click on these 3 dots and you will see a download button to download your voiceover.
Now that we have the voiceover, let's head into step 4 and get our video ready for editing. And for that, you can use CapCut or any video editor available to you.
Go to CapCut and click on Create a New Project. After that, import the video we created using Kling AI and the voiceover from Google AI. Now, click and place your videos on the timeline here. Make sure the total video is under 30 seconds. I will explain why later in the video. Once you're happy with the video, click Export to save your video.
And now it's time for the final step, lip syncing your video. For step 5, we'll use Dreamface to add the perfect lip sync to your video.
Maybe many of you have heard of this website. Go to Dreamface and then click on Avatar Video and upload the video you generated in step 4. Next, upload the voiceover we made using Google AI. And if your video is longer than 30 seconds, trim it down since we're using the free version, But if you're on the paid plan, you can upload up to 3-minute video and audio. Then click Generate and wait for the lip-syncing magic to happen. Before I show you the final result, make sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Now, if you want to remove any watermarks from your videos, you can use an AI watermark removal tool, or you can cover the watermark with your channel logo or a subscribe button. All the links to the tools I used are in the description below, so make sure to check that out.